brand TapMe needs no introduction when it comes to delivering world-class management education. Catering to the need of high-performing global HR professionals, TapMe's PGDM HRM program is focused on creating thought leaders in human resources capable of efficiently managing people and organizations. Amongst many features of the program, the highlight is TapMe's partnership with SHRM India to co-design the course curriculum and align it to SHRM body of competence and knowledge to ensure the global standards. As part of this arrangement, PGDM HRM students are eligible to write SHRM Certified Professionals Exam, the most coveted global certification for HR professionals. We are proud to announce that from the batch of 2019 to 21, 18 students have already cleared the exam and are now SHRM Certified Professionals. Let's see what they have to say about the program, curriculum, and experience of clearing the SHRM CP exam.
Preparation for the exam began at the very starting of our PGDM course because the entire curriculum is aligned towards the SHRM exam. And the exam itself was such a different experience because each question pushed me to think beyond the box and made me judge each situation based on various factors. The SHRM reading materials and the online learning platform helped me in tackling these questions. I'd like to thank the college and our faculties for their constant support in helping me achieve this feat.
SHRM CP examination is different from any certification exam because it emphasizes and necessitates 500 hours of HR experience. I was able to gain the same through live projects and summer internship. I was mentored by the faculty members at TapMe. And I was also able to implement the knowledge of our curriculum during the examination. The exam not only tests your conceptual knowledge but also your prowess of implementing that knowledge in global pertinent HR situations.
The entire course of PGDM HR offered by TapMe is in alignment with the industry requirements and prepares you to successfully sail through professional certification exams such as the SHRM CP. The most difficult aspect of the certification exam, in my view, was the 4-hour duration test, which really has a toll on your physical and mental state. I would like to extend my gratitude to the faculty for helping us through this journey.
Being an SHRM CP gives me the added credibility and advantage to pursue a profession in the field of HR. It is a universally applicable certification that tests our knowledge and competencies that are relevant and required in the emerging and changing HR landscape. SHRM CP is a 4-hour long examination without any breaks, and I had to mentally prepare myself to be on the top of my game for those 4 hours. I had also gone through the entire SHRM competency module and had taken multiple quizzes and situation-based questions. Apart from that, the courses that we had learned during our first year were also very helpful and made the preparation much more easier.
I think the preparation for all of us began from the very first day our classes started at TapMe. Since the entire PGDM HR program has been developed in such a manner that it is in complete alignment with the syllabus of the exam.
While preparing is that a lot of what was required from the exam was covered from my first year at TapMe PGDM HR. So that was a big help to me. And honestly, I think it will be a really, really important CV point as far as my placement goes. Apart from that, it will also add a lot of value to who I am as a HR professional in the future.
SHRM CP, the examination, is a very grueling process. It's a 4-hour long examinations where you are made to think on your feet and apply all the theoretically learned concepts in a limited time, and it really is a very challenging exam. It helped me gain a lot of perspective on what it takes to be an HR professional.
I started by going through all of those materials that were given to us, the 4 main books, and then I went through the flashcards and the quizzes that are present on the SHRM CP portal.
The curriculum that we have at TapMe has helped me immensely in achieving this certification because I don't think I needed to learn anything separately. The curriculum is streamlined with the course of the examination, and I had to study very little for it. So I'd like to thank TapMe for that.
SHRM certification has worldwide reach, and being an SHRM certified professional would help me grab opportunities not only in India but also all over the world.
So to come to how I prepared for it was through the learning portal which SHRM provided us with, which is really user friendly, and it helps you know at what level do you need the learning, and which is the area which you need to concentrate on. Also, the TAPME curriculum, which merges with the SHRM curriculum, helped me understand the topics really fast.
SHRM is a worldwide recognized program for HR professionals. The exam tests knowledge-based and situation analytical questions.
The online learning portal was so user-friendly that every reading material was available at a click. Apart from these, even the courses that were taught in the first year were very similar to the SHRM portion, so that also made the entire exam preparation very easy.
What's great about SHRM CP exam is that it not only checks your fundamentals but gives you an opportunity to apply those fundamentals to real life situation based questions, which are really helpful as a future HR manager.
And the important aspect that helped me in clearing this examination was the TAPME curriculum, which itself is aligned with the SHRM curriculum. I also feel that the faculties at TAPME helped me a lot in understanding the important areas and the core concepts of the SHRM examination. I also took the help of the SHRM learning portal in understanding the important areas and the pattern of questions that is being asked in the SHRM.
The preparation of which started with my very first lecture at TAPME. We learnt about strategic HR practices and HR compliance throughout the industries. And I get to implement all of these in practical at my summer internship at Lowe's India.
Our college curriculum, closely aligned with SHRM standards, basically helped us out a lot while preparing for this examination. Apart from that, I would say the exam and the situational awareness questions were fun to tackle, and the 4 hours of the examination went by in a flash.